Hello students, how are you today? I am going to discuss Paramveer Chakra winner Shekhon. 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 Okay. This is most important chapter of your class. Paramveer Chakra, Moral Science. Okay, page number 26, 27, 28. Today I will discuss, and next video I will discuss next chapter. Now I'm going to start this chapter. Try to understand the concept. Paramveer Chakra winner. Who is? He is winner. Paramveer Chakra Shekhon. This is the name of chapter, Paramveer Chakra. Try to understand the concept of this chapter, then you can understand it very well without any problem. On the noon 14 December 1971, this is the story of 14 December 1971. A flying officer Nirmaljeet Singh Shekhar. Okay, his full name was Prime Officer Nirmaljeet Singh Shekhar, on readiness duty. Whose duty? This is the readiness duty. Readiness means Tatparta duty. Stood gazing out of the window. He was watching and gazing. Gazing means seeing out of the window. Okay, of the officers. Mess at the Srinagar airfield. This is the name of place, Srinagar airfield. The war had been raging for nearly a fortnight. How many days? Fortnight. Okay. Indian pilots defending the Kashmir Valley. Which valley? Defending the Kashmir Valley. Had been fighting off repeated waves of infiltrating enemy aircraft with a great valor and cleverness. Okay. The solitude of the wintry afternoon was suddenly shattered by the electrifying wail. Which wail? Electrifying wail. The wail was totally by electrifying wail of the air raid siren. Siren was coming on that time, and on in this way. Shaken out of his reverie. Shaken pulled on his flying boots, put on his helmets, and ran out into the corridor, yelling to the comrades Chambu, Rajendra, and attacked. I am going to get them. What? I am going to get them. Okay. Second mounted his motorcycle and kicked it to a running start. In this way, they started to fight. Okay, they started to fight. And now I'm going to discuss some difficult word in this para. First difficult word is here readiness. Readiness means alac electricity. Okay, defending. Defending means what? Defending means safeguard. Okay, defending means safeguard. Infiltrating means push in. Infiltrating means push in. Solitude means what? Solitude means solitude means okay. Meanwhile, a squadron of 6 enemy sabres in Eroders formation was past, flying over the barricades. In which place? Flying over the barricades. They flying over the barricades. Okay, in this way. After that, Airplane 2, after performing graceful loops, returned to a bomb with barricades. They came with the bomb with barricades, seeing the enemy coming back for a kill. Their enemy was coming from the back of the back side. They are the enemy. They are going and they are coming back side. Okay, back himself against a pillar to his left. It was just as well he did so. For the two sabres picked up his vehicle with a short burst of machine gun fired. They started to fire with the machine gun as they heard for a hangers. It means what? They started with the fire with the machine gun. After that, by now the 6 sabres had speed out all over the aircraft. How many sabres? 6 sabres. They speeded. Okay. Before seconds, horrified eyes, hangar number 5, sheltering 7 grenades and assorted personnel went up in puff of thick smoke. Which smoke? Puff of thick smoke. Okay. Ducking behind. What they are doing? ducking behind the 4-foot high lime wall. Which lime wall? High lime wall. The wall was too high. He crept forward cautiously. Crept means what? Slighter. Slighter means रेंगते हुए. Okay. Often stopping to ascertain. Often to uh, ascertain. Clear? After that, try to understand it. After that, they, this is page number, this is next page of this story. Try to understand it. Next page. The enemy is poison. On reaching a small wicket, which wicket? A small wicket. Gate in the hedge. Where? Gate in the hedge. He sprinted towards the tarmac. Where they sprinted? Towards the tarmac. Question may be asked in the examination. Where they sprinted? Where he sprinted? Towards the tarmac. 4 alternative question will be asked. By then, the enemy beside demolizing hangar number 5, which hangar number 5 had succeeded in rendering 4 the 10 plants on the tarmac non-operational, and we are advancing toward the control tower. Which tower? Control tower. Just a second reached the communication wing. Okay, second we know very well the name of the person. Second reached the communications wings. In which place he reached? Communication wings. Okay, 3 sabers jeep passed at treetop level to avoid radar detection. Okay, he wanted to avoid the radar detection. That's why he had reached on that place. Officers were the veranda came crashing down behind him. The name of the officer is Officer Veranda. They came crashing down the behind him. Okay. Window panes shattered as bullets spaced the place. Shattered, shattered means what? Break. Break means cut. Okay. Second swore under his breath. Okay. Uh, second swore under his breath. Something had to be done and passed, but